Dear student of class 9, today we will study how do a horse pull a cart. Actually, I know that the students of my own school, that is Minerva Public School, are very interested in their study, and I see that all the students watch the video and do their work. So, need not to explain them whether they should work, do or not. It is depend on them. But I ask the other students who are not from Minerva Public School, take interest and learn some more thing. Actually, according to Newton's third law of motion, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. If a horse is pulling a cart with a force F, force T, then the cart will also pull the horse in backward direction with the same force T. This action and reaction force equal and opposite neutralize each other. Then the cart should not move forward, backward, etc. But actually we see that the cart move forward. Why this happens? I have to explain it. You know that while pulling a cart, the horse pushes the ground in backward direction like this at an angle theta. At an angle, say theta, 30 degree, 40 degree, and so on. This theta is an inclined force that acts on the ground. As a result, the force by which the earth pushes the ground has equal and opposite reaction force R. Since R, if this angle is theta and this is ground and this is parallel to the ground pulling direction, therefore this angle will also be theta. The inclined force R can be resolved into two components, one vertical, which is equal to y, which is equal to y or r sin theta, and other horizontal in forward direction, which is also called x or r cos theta. This r sin theta balances the weight of the horse W because they are equal and opposite, and this r cos theta helps the cart to move forward, but at the same time force of friction between the wheel and the ground resists the movement, and it always acts in the direction opposite to the r cos theta. If r cos theta greater than f, means a cart moves forward. If cos theta, if the value of r cos theta will be more than the value of this frictional force, then the cart move forward. If r cos theta equal to f, then cart does not move. It remains stationary in its place, neither forward nor backward, remain stationary. But if the r cos theta less than f, then the cart moves backward. Means if this frictional force is more greater than the r cos theta, the cart will roll in backward direction. Such situation we see when there is a dam and the cart has to pull the cart on the dam, over the dam. It will happens that the cart moves up to a certain distance, then return back. this happen in that case. Now we will study the conservation of momentum in next video, and that will be the end of the chapter. Again, I ask you to continue on the channel, watch the video, like the channel, like the video, subscribe the channel, and do your work regularly. That's all.